Roughly speaking, algorithm is a sequence of instructions that must be accomplished to solve a well-formulated problem. We can identify the problem in terms of inputs and outputs, and then algorithm method will translate inputs into the output. A well-formulated problem is unambiguous and precise and has no chance for misinterpretation. For this purpose, we need some entity to solve the problem. And for this purpose, we can use either humans or computers. Humans can be used and they can write on the paper the set of instructions one by one in an orderly manner. But generally, the humans are slow and they can make a mistake every time. And they are generally do not like to repeat the one step again and again. On the other hand, computers are definitely less intelligent, but they can solve the problems very efficiently and quickly, and they do not make mistakes. So computers are less intelligent, so they do not know the English language. So we have to translate the English instructions into some specific language in a computer language, either C or Java or some other language. So the instruction must be very clear so that all the steps could be recognized by the processor of the computer. So in order to understand the functioning of the algorithm, we must know the method in which the algorithm is written. So algorithm is a set of instructions, and for writing the set of instructions, we use, in the computer scientists use the pseudocode. Pseudocode is a language used to write the algorithm in a very descriptive manner, but it is less descriptive as compared to the computer language like C and Java. So in pseudocode is a very precise language that explains the step-by-step functions to solve a problem. So sometimes there are many complex problems, but these complex problems cannot be solved by the algorithm. So the problem is divided into further smaller parts, and these are called mini algorithms, and these mini algorithms is termed as subgroups. So in some algorithms, we need to know some basic terminology like variables, arrays, and arguments. So if we see about the variables, it is written as X or total. So variable is a term in which we assign some numerical value to the variable. And this numerical value can be changed, and definitely it changes during the process of algorithm. So an array is an element and is a collection of some specific numbers. So n variable, as we can see here, so n variable are represented as a1, a2 to an. And generally we represented it with A is equal to A1, A2, and AN. And if we see a specific element, for example A1, out of this array, then we represent A1 as AI, where I is any number from 1 to n. And the last is the arguments, and the argument is in algorithm, in pseudocode, it is denoted by the name, the algorithm denoted by name, and it is followed by the arguments. So in this example, we can say that, for example, if we want to calculate the maximum value, this is the name of the algorithm, and then we have to calculate which one is the smallest, either 1 or 80. So 180 is the arguments, and the answer is 80. So we can say that the argument is the name of the algorithm that is denoted by 1 and 80.